In our website also, Development Commissioner MSME website is there, in which you can look for the product, you can identify the product, and accordingly you have to study what is market, what is the market for that product. Or you can go for the backward integration. You can search what the demand in the market, and then you can select the product from as per the demand of the market, and you can start the manufacturing activity of that or service activity. Then after, once you have selected the product, suppose you have selected the food processing industry, you want to start food processing industry, or some restaurant, you know, you can, which can supply the packaged food, ready to eat snacks, uh, all type or ready mix वगैरह जो आता है, तो you can prepare that and you can market it in the market, is for the sales. So after you have selected the product identified, then it is important to select the site and technology also. Once you have selected the product, then it is important to select the where you should start this activity. सपोज आपने कोई फूड प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट सिलेक्ट किया, बट अगर आपको वो देखना है कि यहाँ आइदर फिनिश गुड मार्केट शुड बी एट दैट प्लेस, और you should have abundant raw material at that place, because that is very important for the feasibility of your project. So once you have identified the product, then you have to select the site where what is the right in location for starting that activity, depend, depending upon your market or market raw material availability. After the technology selection is important. Suppose if you have taken the product as a ready to eat snacks, then you have to see the proper technology, means machineries, what is the process of manufacturing, what machineries you should adopt for manufacturing of this product. It is very important. Suppose food product you have chosen, so you have to see ki there should be no contamination in the food product. Otherwise, there will be some microbiological growth in the product, or it should be hygienic. So you have to see technology accordingly, so that your product should be very hygienic, and it should have a good shelf life also if you are going in the packaged food. Then after these 2 3 activities, you have to go for the project report preparation. So project report preparation, uh, when you are starting the activity at initial level, there are some schemes in which you can start the manufacturing activity or service activities at the lower cost, lower prices. So accordingly, the project reports are available on in our website also. I will show you at the end of the after this PPT. I will show you how where you can get the project report, and accordingly with you can take the help of that project report. You have to prepare it by own self. Don't go to anybody and pay the amount to them. But if you are an educated person, you can also prepare that project report at your college or at your home level. So project report preparation is important. Then after technical consultancy, suppose if you are not a technical graduate or you are unable to understand some terminologies of that project, then you can contact to our MSME office also about your any technical difficulty in that. After this, once your project report is ready, then you have to look for the finances. How much after project report is completed, then we will be able to know how much amount is required to us to start our business. Then there is a different schemes are there, just like you can see the third next point I have written, the application filing in PMEGP Stand Up India scheme. So these are the two schemes where you can get the financial assistance for startup of your enterprise. PMEGP is the this is very important scheme for you. The PMEGP is Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. This PME, it is explained in detail in the further slides. So it is important scheme for you when you are starting your own new enterprise. You have to go for the PMEGP scheme. And suppose some SC, ST or woman is there or any girl is there, he or she can opt for the Stand Up India scheme also. In both these schemes, you can get the financial assistance to start your own business. Then after comes the licensing consultancy. When you are starting the project, then it requires some licenses. Suppose you have ready to eat snacks you are going to prepare, or some food processing industry, then it is important to you must have the FSSAI license, food license is required. So you have to take the food license and other registration which are mandatory for your businesses. So we also help you in that. We will guide you how you can get the FSSAI license. But nowadays most of the things are online. You can just see food license for the Maharashtra, yeah, central. So you can file the online application for FSSAI license. You have to pay the fees. Some documents you have to upload. Then, if it is okay, then you will get the food license. After that, we also provide you financial assistance. Under that, we have told PMEGP scheme, or then human resource management, what type of manpower you should have with you. Suppose you are good in food processing, but you may not be good in marketing, or you may not be good in the arranging the finances. So you have to make a team. Those some of your means colleague or friend, you can make a team of 2 3 people, 4 people, and you can divide the task. You can form a company, and you can divide the task. One will take care of the processing part, one will take care of the marketing part, another will take care of the finances, and some other administration issue or licensing issues. So like that, you can make a team, and you can proceed. It will make your task easy. After that, we also guide you about the testing of your product. When you are, suppose you are preparing the ready to eat snack, it is very important. You should have proper tested. Your product should be tested for the shelf life, other parameters, microbiological growth, and all that. So we give you assistance for the testing also. Then vendor registration process. It is important because when you want to supply your product to the government agencies, suppose you are supplying to IRCTC food packets and all that, then you need to require the vendor registration of the IRCTC. If you are registered with the IRCTC, then it is you can be able to participate in their tenders and supply product to them. After that is the marketing support. Marketing support is that uh, we are giving some facilitation to you, like we allow you to participate in for exhibitions, domestic as well as international, for display of your product. Accordingly, for tender, when central public procurement portal is there, you can participate to CPP through that, for participation in the tender, and you can sell your product to the market. Then this till in previous slides, what I have explained, you must have understand. You have to select the product, then select the site where you should start the business, then what type of machinery, process, technology you have to you have to choose that. Then after, prepare your project report. Then you have to file your application in the financial scheme like PMEGP or Stand Up India. And after that, you have to make the sure that you should have the proper licenses, and then the marketing of the product. So these are the various steps involved while you want to start your own business. And all these guidance, just like as we are talking in this virtual platform, same can be provided in offline mode also. Whenever you comes to our office, there are officers are there who can guide you about these things. We, we also conduct some skill development programs, like this industrial motivation campaign, and entrepreneurship skill development programs also we used to conduct, but this year we have not conducted yet. And we also provide the certificates for the successful training, completion of training. These are some marketing tools provided by the Ministry of MSME. You can see this GEM portal, government e-marketing portal. This provides you the online platform for selling of your product. It promotes the Make in India initiative. As already you have seen that the government has took the lot of initiative to boost the vocal for local. Means we should use the local products instead of imported products. Then public procurement policy. Suppose if you are having any products which you can sell to the government, then public procurement policy help you in this. You can get a free of cost tender. EMD exemption is there. Means for there will be no fees for participation in tender. For there will be 25% reservation for micro small enterprises. I mean, if you are making any product which is useful for the government offices, then under this policy you can participate and you can get the provided to you. It helps you for marketing of your product. Then marketing assistance, I have told you that we provide free of cost participation in the exhibition also, two times in the year, two times in the domestic means India, and two times out of the country. Then we are having some more schemes for suppose there are 150 schemes are technologies are listed under this scheme CLCSS, credit link capital subsidy. And if you are selecting that technology for manufacturing of your product, then you can get the additional benefits under this scheme also, CLCSS. Assistance for the export. In office, this Nagpur office also, we are having export facilitation cell where you can come and visit to our export facilitation cell. You will get the guidance about the what are the various steps involved for the export of the products, and you can take the help of the our office for the registration of import export business. Then what are the documentation are required. Various other agencies are also linked with us, like ECGCL is there, FIO is there. They also provide you very good information about the various things, means how you can export, what are the items imported in the countries. So these are the benefits. You can start your export business also, and you can take the consultancy with this office. This is some credit facilitation. You can talk about this next one, credit guarantee fund trust. This is the CGTMSE scheme, just like the PMEGP and Stand Up India we have discussed in earlier slides. You can take the financial assistance under the this CGTMSE scheme also. Here there is in PMEGP the proposal up to 25 lakhs rupees can be processed. In Stand Up India scheme, proposal up to 1 crore can be processed, and in this CGTMSE scheme there is a limit up to 2 crore rupees. Means depending on your project, you can apply the respective schemes. This is the PMEGP scheme, the very most important scheme for you guys. When you have thought, "Ki, I want to start my own business, I want to start my own enterprise." This is the scheme. You must know about this, and you can think, you can visit this PMEG. You can search in Google also. There is a separate website for this. You can go and with your project report, you can apply online in this scheme for the financial assistance. These are the silent features. Any individual above 18 years age is eligible for this. No income ceiling. For setting up of manufacturing industry, 25 lakhs rupees you can get, and for the service industry you can get up to 10 lakhs rupees. Educational qualification only 8th pass is required. Self-help group include, means anyone BPL is also there, they can also apply. And here you get subsidies up to 25 to 35% for starting of your business. Another is this Mudra scheme is there. At present, it is not much useful for you, but you must know this PMEGP scheme, and you just prepare your project report and apply in the PMEGP scheme portal. Then this important. Then another is the intellectual property rights. We are having one scheme for this IPR. You must be aware of this intellectual property rights, just like patents, trademark, brand, and all that. So this is very important. Uh, when you have started a business or you are planning to start the business, you should have your own brand. You know, a lot of brands are there. Local brand Aldiram is there, national international brand Adidas, Nike, and so many brands like this. So accordingly, you can start your own brand also. You can have a trademark registration, and we are giving some financial assistance to the enterprises who can take this registration. Suppose you are taking the trademark registration, this third one, for trade reimbursement up to rupees 10,000 for trademark registration. at this initial level. This is very important. When you are suppose you are ready to eat snacks आप बना रहे हैं, and you can register your own brand. This is very simple process. There is attorneys are there. You can take their help and you can register your brand. There are some around 40 to 43 categories in trademark registration, and where food category will come, you have to register in that category. So if you want more details about this, you can ask me in after the this PPT is over, or you can come to office also. So trademark registration is very important. So it is my opinion, suggestion also. If you are thinking to start your business and you have already selected the product, then immediately you can file for the trademark registration after taking the Udyam Udyam registration. Then only you will get this subsidy of 10,000. Similarly, if you are filing any patent for domestic patent, there is a subsidy of 1 lakh rupees, and for the international patent, there is a reimbursement up to 5 lakhs rupees. So accordingly, you can have a benefit of this scheme of intellectual property rights. This another incubation scheme is there. In this, but presently this scheme is not in operation properly. But in future, you can get some help from this scheme also. There is a financial assistance of 15 lakhs for innovative ideas. Huh. This is Champions Portal. This is also created under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. You can see the creation and harmonious application of modern processing for increasing the output and national strength. So this is the champion. This is the champion website is there mentioned www.champions.gov.in, and you must visit this website also, and you can see whatever the things I have talked about. You can get all these schemes in written form and their respective links uh, where you should visit, so you can get all the information about the schemes, recent developments, and if you have any query, you can put your question in the champions also, and we will reply to you as per your questions or queries. So you must visit this after the end of the program. You should visit the champions.gov.in about the more information related to the MSME schemes. This we have discussed what we are providing, technical management consultancy entrepreneurship program. Just a minute. Then marketing assistance we have discussed. We have discussed about the technology, CLCSs and lean manufacturing assistance about the export promotion. So just like the domestic trade fair, we also provide you the facility to participate in the international exhibition also, provided you should have your business and a product which you can sell in the international market. Then IPR, incubation, innovation, startup, design cleaning, etc. All these schemes are available. You have to visit the champions.gov.in, what I have shown in this, and you will get the details of these schemes, and you can take the advantage. You can ask your any query in this champion. There is a uh, you can get the add your grievance or suggestion. You can put your grievances also there. Suppose you have applied for the loan, but you are not getting the loan from the bank, or you are facing any other difficulty, then you can put your grievance in this portal also. Then you will be replied by the competent authority. There are some other schemes are also there, like you can see this honey mission. Honey mission, it is operated by the KVIC, is there, Khadi Village Industry Commission. Its office is in Nagpur also. It is for the rural area, where they provide some subsidies for honey culture, क्या bee keeping कहते हैं जिसको, bee keeping के लिए. And then after you can get the honey and you can sell it in the market. Then one more office is there associated with us, that is NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation. That they also help you in the raw material finance. If you have started the business and you need raw material, you don't have fund for the raw material, then you can take the support of that also. Another our website, one MSME, this is our government of India website is there for e-marketing place, msmemart.com. This is very important. I request all of you, you must visit this msmemart.com, and if you find any product suitable for you, you can buy from that. It is operated by government of India, and whatever the revenue will come, it goes to the public. Then tender marketing is there, and single point registration. It is just like your Udyam registration and all that. This is export promotion through SEZ. If you have started any business and you see it is having the export potential, means you can sell your product or services to the export, to the international market, then it is always advisable to start your business in SEZ. It is a special economic zone. In Nagpur, we are having the Mihan SEZ. You must be aware of this Mihan. So if you are starting the business which have a export potential, then you can go for this SEZ policy, and you can start your business in the special economic zone. Its further detail you can obtain from the website of MADC site, MADC or Mihan SEZ. You have to go for that, or you can come to our office also if you are having any query in this sector. Then these are the various initiatives took by the government for the under Atmanirbhar Bharat to support the micro, small, medium enterprises. So a lot of industries are benefited during this pandemic situation due to lockdown. Industries were suffering, but the government has tried to give the best support to them, and we have seen more success stories that they have come up through this bad phase. This new definition of MSMEs we have already discussed. So all these details are available on this champions.gov.in, what I have told you. Then we are having one cluster scheme also, but it is for the existing enterprises. It is not for the new enterprises. These are some photographs of the cluster started by this Ministry of MSME, Government of India. It is located at Kamti. Again, dal mill processing cluster is there. This you see the one video I will show you. This is set up by the Ministry of MSME office. This facility is created by this our office MSME. It is operated in Kamti Upalwadi, Medici area. Around 1,000 women are employed there. And throughout the year, they are provided the training to newcomers also, so that they can start their business or work in this sector also. It is a garment manufacturing unit where all the garments are manufactured: shirt, pant, then salwar kameez, and all that. All these garments are manufactured in these clusters, garment cluster. This is AutoCAD design. Whatever design we feed in the computer, that same will be embroidered on the these cloths. Embroidery machines are there. Now again, one initiative we have to, and during this Corona period, PP kit were manufactured by this office with the help of our this cluster. So you must see this video. I will show you. And at that time, the PP kit were not developed in our country, and we were importing that from the China and other market, and it was having a very huge cost. But once we have developed it, now it is in abundant with us, and this facility is created by this Ministry of MSME Nagpur office, and in under the guidance of Gadkari sir.
केंद्रीय सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्यम मंत्री नितिन गडकरी ने कहा है कि कोरोना वायरस वैश्विक केंद्रीय सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्यम मंत्री नितिन गडकरी ने कहा है कि कोरोना वायरस वैश्विक महामारी से देश लड़ाई लड़ रहा है। इस लड़ाई में डॉक्टरों और स्वास्थ्य कर्मियों की सुरक्षा के लिए नागपुर की एमएसएमई कंपनी ने अच्छे गुणवत्ता की किट तैयार की है, जो बाजार भाव से काफी सस्ता है। गडकरी ने इस जानकारी से जुड़ा एक वीडियो भी साझा किया है। आप ये वीडियो देखिए और हमें दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार।
हम सब लोग मिलकर कोरोना की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं और इस लड़ाई में दो चीज़ें बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, एक सैनिटाइजर और दूसरी बात जो है पीपीई। और ये पीपीई किट्स हमारे देश में अवेलेबल न होने के कारण हमको चाइना से लानी पड़ी और उसकी भी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है। हमारे एमएसएमई की ओर से हमारे जो उपसंचालक है पार्लेवा जी और सांसद विकास महात्मे, इन्होंने मिलकर एक इनिशिएटिव लिया, मैंने उसको सपोर्ट किया। आज हमारे यहाँ नागपुर में जो हमारा एमएसएमई का ऑरेंज क्लस्टर है, उन्होंने बड़े प्रमाण पर ये 3 प्रकार की है। इसकी कीमत 550 से 650 के नज़दीक है। मार्केट से कम है, 1000-1200 रुपये किलो की कीमत मार्केट में लोग लेते हैं। अभी डॉक्टर के लिए, नर्सेस के लिए, पैरामेडिकल फोर्स के लिए, सफाई कामगारों के लिए और पुलिस के लिए, सबके लिए काम में आ सकती है। तो मुझे लगता है आज संकट में हमारे एमएसएमई ने एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन किया है।
पीपी किट का महत्व ध्यान में रखते हुए माननीय श्री नितिन गडकरी साहब ने हमें इसे नागपुर स्थित कॉमन फैसिलिटी सेंटर में विकसित करने की जिम्मेदारी दी। आज इस किट में 7 से 8 पार्ट होते हैं, मुख्यतः कवरऑल गाउन, ग्लोव्स, गॉगल और मास्क इत्यादि होते हैं। ये संपूर्ण मिला के एक किट तैयार होती है। 10,000 किट एक दिन में बनाने की क्षमता रखते हैं।
तो धीरे धीरे हमारी जो आवश्यकता थी, हम इंपोर्ट कम करें और हमारे देश में ये ताकत एक क्षमता है कि हम इंपोर्ट की बजाय यहाँ माल बना सकते हैं। मैं सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ और आज इस माध्यम से आह्वान करता हूँ कि जहाँ भी, जिस राज्य में, जिस जिले में, जिस अस्पताल में इसकी ज़रूरत है, वो जरूर संपर्क करें और इसका फायदा लें। यही मेरा धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
So this is the PP kit. You can see it is developed by our Nagpur office, and we have helped, or we have given it to all the government hospitals, private hospitals, wherever it is required during the lockdown period across the Maharashtra. Similarly, other clusters are also there, and is not so. Then now I will show you some how you can locate the project reports and all that. Just a minute. Now you can see this website. You can note down dcmsme.gov.in. Here you can get products, metallurgy, hosiery products, electrical products. These are then information technology, chemical product, food processing industry. You can see this food processing. Uh, these project reports are available. Some bread, cane, mushroom. These are sample project reports. So you can take help of these project reports and you can prepare for only whatever the product you want to manufacture. Ready to serve curry vegetable, dehydrated vegetables, है ना? Like this, you can prepare the project report for product you are choosing. You can see these bakery products. Suppose you are starting some bakery manufacturing and to look after all these aspects. Firstly, you have to mention about the introduction of your project, what you are going to do, then what is the suppose bakery is there, then market potential of your business, what is the market potential for that. Then after you have to assumptions, various assumptions are required. Then implementation schedule means how many weeks, how many months you require to start your business. Then process of manufacturing you have to cover. Then what are the quality control standards like FSSAI or any other standards required for the manufacturing of the product? You have to mention that. Then you have to go for this financial calculation. You can go for the fixed capital. You can go for the machinery and equipment. You have to mention this detail. And then working capital you have to identify. And then after raw material, what are the raw material is required to you. Then other contingencies. In this you can take help of this project and you can prepare your own project report, total capital investment, then financial analysis, this recurring cost, depreciation, and all these you can take. And you can start prepare your own project report, whereby looking after this similar type of report you can prepare for your project. Then after I will show you this champion portal. This is the champions.gov.in. Here in schemes for you, you can see these existing schemes, new schemes, scheme for starters. You can go in this PMEGP scheme, which I have explained. Detailed, complete PMEGP details are there. Link is also provided, so you can take help of this literature also. Again, this Gram Udyog Vikas Yojana is there. Then CGTMSE we have discussed. Then these awareness programs. So with the help of these champions also, you can get complete knowledge of whatever the schemes available with the various ministries and departments. These are also new schemes started by the government of India. You can go in these schemes also. These existing schemes, this PMEGP is there. Then second PMEGP, CGTMSE, interest subvention, credit link capital subsidy. All these details are available in this. So whenever you are having any doubt, you refer this literature, or even after if you are unable to understand anything, then you can your grievance, you can see register your grievance or make suggestions, seek guidance. So you can go in this you can suggestion or seek guidance, you can select, and you can have to fill your details. Then it will come to us, we will reply to you, we will call to you individually also, and we will assist you that how you can start your business. So like this, you can use this portal also. Again, what, sir?
Somebody had unmuted. That's why. You can continue, sir.
Sir, any problem, sir?
No. One of the student had unmuted himself.
Okay, okay.
Because of that disconnect.
Now I will show you the PMEGP website also, where you can apply your project. This is the kviconline.gov.in, you can write down. Then with the help of this is PMEGP portal is there. You have to click on this, and PMEGP portal you can go. Just so here you can apply, you can see this online application form for individual. So as an individual, you can apply for, you have to click in this link. This you have to input your Aadhaar card number, other details, sponsoring agency, all these details. You can you have to complete this online form, and then you have to save the data. You will get one application number and password also. Then one important thing here, this you can see this option, prepare DPR. Once you click on this prepare DPR, one Excel sheet will be downloaded, and that Excel sheet there is a complete calculation for the project. Means you can also prepare the 5 years projected balance sheet for your business also. So this is very important website, and you can file your application for the loan through under the PMEGP scheme through this portal. So this is the thing from me, and if you have any doubt, you can ask.
So students, if suppose you are having any question, you can ask sir. Right now he is here. Anyone among you? You can directly unmute yourself and ask.
One more thing I want to add here, that one more concept is that like technology transfer. There are various institutes like CSIR, BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. In there, you can go for the technology selection also. They are having some exclusive technologies which you can select, and you can start business in that sector also. So you have to visit that websites.
Sir, on behalf of the students, actually
Yes.
they are having many queries. One of them
Okay.
is, do we have to mortgage anything if
See,
we go
in the
for loan?
PMEGP scheme, there is no provision of the mortgage. You can, if your project is up to 10 lakhs rupees, then there is no requirement of any mortgage in that scheme for that project. But you should have this, you should be resident of Nagpur from last more than last 5 years. You should be from here. Your family should be from here. Then suppose if
Samiksha, are you having any query? Samiksha? Are you having any query? You have unmuted yourself.
No, sir.
Okay, just. Sir, one more thing, that from the project reports which are given over here, so with the help of them, they can prepare the report, but
yes,
as they are not taking any assistance from others, so whether the local office over here, they can provide any kind of assistance if needed.
yes. See, for what I am expecting from them, since they are the qualified, means educated youth, So they should first attempt to do this.
Yeah.
After that, they should come with their ideas, and they can take the help of this project report also. Means they should have their basic studies in that. After that, if they are facing any problem, they must come to our office. We will help them.
Yeah, just they means they will prepare it, and then afterwards, before
They have
submission,
to
if
come
suppose
to
they,
us. Yes, yes, of
yeah,
course.
yeah,
We are following the same procedure in the daily basis. The, those who are having any doubt after preparation of project report, they come to us. They show us, sir, this is our project report for suggestions and all that. So we help them. No problem.
any student having any query? So I think we will close this. Just so, sir, now as we are coming to the end, now on behalf of the students and staff of Tuli College of Hotel Management, I thank you, sir, for this session. I hope taking inspiration from your session, more and more students will develop themselves as entrepreneur, thus making this session fruitful. Thank you once again, sir. Uh,
Thank
Students,
you
you
very
stay
much, sir.
back. There is a polls. You stay back. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
The polls, I have launched the poll. All of you start giving the answers. Submit it within the next 4 minutes. Students, we are having another session also tomorrow. That is the last one among this series. Okay, so you will have to attain that also. And as out of means, if suppose you attend all these 3 sessions, or we will see later on, so you will be provided with a certificate. Okay, so tomorrow also again at 2 o'clock we are having um, the same link will be there. You will have to follow the same link to join it. I will give a message on your WhatsApp group of your respective classes. Okay, so be ready and try to attain and ask others also to join it.
Can we hear you?
Yeah. Yes. Akhilesh.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to ask anything?
Sir, can we leave?
Yes, yes, I'm not hearing you.
Sorry, sir.
What do
Sir,
you
can we leave? Can we leave the class?
after voting is over, you can leave. You can leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm going to end the poll now. Thank you very much, all of you, for attending this session, and I'm expecting the same from you and from others also, those who have not attended today's and day before yesterday's meeting. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. I'm going to end the poll. So thank you, students. Now I'm going to end the meeting. So see you tomorrow again at the same time. Just logging 5 minutes prior this meeting session starts. Okay, thank you.